Another good thing with this system is if I go to my music, let me see, I'll just click that, play, turn it down. So that's playing, it will be in a minute. And you see there, if I click the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles, you've got Land Rover there. That means there's a tick next to it. Any audio playing through this phone, when that's set properly, the audio will come through the speakers in the car, whether it be Amazon Prime Music or Amazon Music or Spotify, iTunes, or even a soundtrack off a video on YouTube. It will play through the speakers. So we'll just go back. Well, actually, right. Over to the system, click auxiliary. The first one, it's come up auxiliary line in. That's not the one you want, so you have to click it again. And that's Bluetooth audio. If I turn that up, then turn this up, as you can see, the music from here is playing through the speakers. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.